Guru Ramkrishna Talukdar. Sri Ramkrishna Talukdar was born and raised among the Bhakts at Bamahata Satra in the district of Bajali in 1963, September 1st, to late Gajendranath Talukdar and Dhaneshwari Talukdar. He completed a 5-year B Music degree from Guwahati University, majoring in Satriya dance from the year 1982 to 1987. He pursued a 4-year Nritya Visharad from BSV Lucknow, a 2-year M Music Nritya Alankar diploma course from ABGMV Mandal, Mumbai in 1992. And then a 2-year master's degree from IKS University, Madhya Pradesh in Kathak in 1997. He is the first A-graded artist of Satriya dance from Prasar Bharati Doordarshan, New Delhi in 2004. He is also an empaneled artist of Satriya dance from Indian Council for Cultural Relations, ICCR, Government of India. He is the recipient of the Sangeet Natak Academy Award to Satriya dance for the year 2017 under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India for his lifetime achievements towards the field of Satriya dance. He has spent more than 20 years in the Guru Shishya Parambara to study and learn Satriya dance under various gurus, namely Sangeet Chudamani, Anand Mohan Bhagavati, Guru Govinda Saikya, SNA Awardee, Roseshwar Saikya Borbayan, Nrityacharya Padma Shri Jatin Goswami, and Padma Shri Ghanakantha Bora Borbayan. Many international students from Belarus, France, Japan, UK, Kazakhstan and USA have received trainings in Satriya dance under his guidance. His book, Nritya Kala Darpan, was a course book of 10th class of SCBA. Mr. Talukdar conducted several lecture demonstrations, workshops, seminars in Satriya dance, both in India and abroad. He has performed in all the major cities of Assam, including festivals like National Games, International Car Rally, South Asian Games, National Youth Festival. Brahmaputra Festival held at Guwahati in India, namely Agartala, Tawang, Andaman, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Cuttack, Lucknow, Indore, Noida, Amritsar, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Jammu, Srinagar, Aurangabad, Nagpur, Mandi, Indore, Gandhinagar, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Kochi, Chennai, Kerala, Goa, etc. Has showcased Satriya dance in the important dance festivals and in international arena London, Edinburgh, Kuwait, etc. His performances were sponsored mostly by Sangeet Natak Academy, Department of Culture, Government of India. Directorate of Cultural Affairs, ICCR, NEZCC, EZCC, etc. He has produced and directed more than 12 dance dramas, including Mahatmar Drishtit Exam, a dance drama in which he directed and played the role of Mahatma Gandhi himself, and has composed and choreographed around 40 dance numbers. He has performed across the globe in places including Edinburgh University in Scotland in 2012, London, Kuwait, etc. Mr. Talukdar was the member of Srimanda Shankar Deva Studies Center of Guwahati University, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Northeast Region and Expert Committee for Satriya Dance, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. He served as an examiner of Satriya and Kathak dance for Guwahati University, Mahapurush Srimanda Shankar Dev University, Board of Secondary Education Assam SCBA, Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal Mumbai, Sangeeta Satra titles in different socio-cultural organizations with Exam Gaurav, Sangeet Jyoti Award, Nritya Ratna, Kala Gaurav, Nrityanjali Award, Kamroop Gaurab, Narahari Burgha Bhakta Award, Debadasi Award, Sutradhar Award, Lifetime Achievement Cultural Award, Sangeet Award, Sanskritik Pujari Award, Guru Debaprasad Das Award, Odisha, Padma Shri Babu Singh Award, Kolkata, etc. He has contributed immensely in the field of Satriya dance, both in India and outside. Brief about Satriya dance. Satriya dance ne kurcha. In the late 15th and the early 16th century, the Vaishnavite movement in Assam, propagated and promoted by the great Vaishnavite Saint Srimanda Shankaradeva, led to the creation of Angiya Bhavana to spread his philosophy of Ekasharan Harinam Dharma. In this Angiya Bhana and various naats, dramas were the separate dancers, which was given a singular identity as Satriya dance later in the 20th century. A singular name was christened to these various dances to give it an identity and bring it under one umbrella when these dancers were recognized as a classical dance form in the year 2000. Satriya dance was usually performed within the walls of the Satras and performed only by the monks. This was practiced only by male dancers as a worship to the Lord. It was only in the 1960s that the dance form was brought outside the Satra to the outside world. The presence of this dance form until then was not known by many. വേദിയിൽ ശ്രീരാമകൃഷ്ണ താലൂക്ദാർ, ശ്രീമതി റൂമി താലൂക്ദാർ, ശിബാംഗി രത്ന ബറുവ, മൊണാലിഷ ഗൗതം, ജയിത പരാശർ, തുസ്തി തനയ സഹാരിയ. ആദ്യം രാംകഥ. This Vandana begins with a Nandi Shlok sung in the praise of Lord Ram, to be followed by a Bhatims of Ankiya Nat, the dance dramas Ram Bijoy. This was composed by Mahapurush Srimanta Shankar Deva. This is composed in Ek Tal and Rag Shringardhar and Purvi. This piece comprises of Sita Swayamvar, the Haradhanu Bhanga, Parashuram Moksha and Ravan Badh. This would be presented by Guru Ramkrishna Talukdar, Guru Rumi Talukdar, Monalisha Gautam, Shibangi Ratna Barua, Jayita Parashar and Tusti Tanaya Saharia.
प्रेमास्पदम् पार पयोधि तारण विधो यन्नामा पिना प्लव श्रवणात् पुनति श्वपच प्राप्नोति मोक्षं चितो तं श्रीरामहं महिषाबरदं वन्दे सदा সিদ্ধি করো